Good morning, students. Chapter balance of payment is still continued, and today we will discuss about visible and invisible items, that is called balance of trade and balance of payment account. Visible items only make BOT, balance of trade, and visible items and invisible items together make balance of payment account. So, visible items are those material goods which are seen crossing the border, which can be touched, which can be examined. So, the account refers to them. Trading in goods with other countries is called export and import of goods or merchandise or visible trade or balance of trade. Invisible items includes services, unilateral transfers, and it includes all type of non-factor income, non-factor services like services of shipping, banking, tourism, investment income like interest, dividend, and unilateral transfers like gifts, donations. These all are invisible items. So, BOT and BOP, there is a difference, you should note it. BOT only relates to trading of goods, only visible trade, visible items. It is BOT, balance of trade. It is just a part of BOP. Balance of payment, you have already noted that 8 rows were there, 4 in credit, 4 in debit. These together make balance of payment account, and BOT only includes row 1 and row 5. In one row there was export of goods, in row 5 there was import of goods. So, it is only called balance of trade account, and export and import of services are not included in BOT but treated separately. So, the difference between value of exports and imports is called balance of trade, and when we calculate all the 8 rows including capital account also, then that is balance of payment account. If we talk about surplus or deficit BOT, the question is there that when is BOT in surplus, when is BOT in deficit. So, the answer is only relating to transactions of goods. If imports of goods are more than export of goods, then it is, if import is more, then it is showing deficit BOT, and if export of goods is more, then it is showing surplus BOT. So, BOT and BOP, differentiate between them very carefully. BOP is the difference between countries' inflow and outflow of foreign exchange in a fiscal year. In other words, it is a systematic records of a country's receipts and payments of foreign exchange in international economic transactions during a specific period of time. BOP is a wider concept as compared to BOT, because BOT is just one of the component of BOP. In this way, BOP represents wider and better picture of countries' international transactions than balance of trade. Each transaction is entered either on credit side or on debit side. So, the components of BOP again, first main items on credit sides are export of goods, that is known as visible trade, export of services, that is known as invisible trade, unrequited receipts, that is unilateral transfers, and capital receipts. These all make credit side. Similar items on debit side, import of goods, import of services, unrequited payments, and capital payments. These make debit side. and all these items we have already discussed in detail. So, difference between BOT and BOP, read it carefully. You can differentiate like this also, that BOT is the difference between money value of import and export of material goods only, whereas BOP is the difference between a country's balance, country's inflows and outflows of foreign exchange during a fiscal year. So, students, there are some numericals also given in the book, you have to practice them. So, summary of BOT services, unrequited transfers and capital payments, these all are summarized in the chapter. And now we are going to discuss current account and its components, because in this chapter there are many type of questions which are similar to each other, but there is a difference also. So, current account, I have already told you that row 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7 लिविंग कैपिटल अकाउंट, लास्ट की जो 5 और 8 हैं उनको छोड़कर बाकी स्टार्टिंग की 3 आइटम्स इन क्रेडिट एंड 3 इन डेबिट साइड मेक करंट अकाउंट ऑफ BOP. The current account of BOP account is that account which records import and export of goods, import and export of services and unilateral transfers during a year. Alternatively, it records sources credit and uses debit of foreign exchange on account of flow of goods, services and transfer incomes. It relates to all activities which do not alter the value of assets or liabilities, but it does not affect values of assets and liabilities. Assets and liabilities are affected only in capital account, and capital account we don't include in current account, that is totally separate. So, components of current account again: export and import of goods, that is visible trade; export and import of services, non-factor and factor services, it is invisible trade; and unilateral transfers like gifts, grants, transfer receipts and payments, and investment income, factor income from land, profit, bonds, share abroad, these all together make current account of BOP, and rest of the points I will explain on tomorrow. That is all for today. Thank you.